Hi everyone, my name is Andy Klingensmith. I'm on the education team at Shaw Nature Reserve, and today I wanted to bring you an easy outdoor learning activity that we do as part of our ecosystem investigation classes. So this activity challenges our students to look at nature on a small scale. So this activity is called Slow Down, Get Down, and Look Around. So some materials you're gonna need is you're gonna need something to create a small boundary. I'm using a bike tire today. You can use a hula hoop. You can use a cardboard cutout. Whatever gives you about a minimum of a foot by a foot area. Another thing you're gonna need is some kind of scientific collection unit. You'll be surprised of how many things that you find. So I'm using an egg crate today. You can use an ice cube tray, a paper plate, or whatever you can find that allows you to section out what you found. And in these times, if you're creating a nature journal, here are some prompts that I've written out. Maybe write down some observations, write down those questions that you've come up with while exploring, to give a sketch or two. And anytime we're exploring the natural world and collecting data, it's always nice to have the date, the time, the location, and the weather. So this activity is pretty simple. All you need to do is slow down, get down, and look around. So inside of our little hula hoop, the big things are easy. So we've got a leaf. Actually, we got a couple different kinds of leaves. We have dandelions, and we have some other flowers. I'm not gonna pick the flowers because flowers are a great source of food for early season insects, especially bees. So I might make that observation. And I got some grass and some clovers, but the fun comes when we really get into it. So really get down and look around, start spreading out the grasses. Ooh, look what I found. Ooh. Oh, I can't get it. There we go. All right, can we see that? Oh, shoot. I found a slug. There's a slug in my little area here. So I'm not gonna collect the slug either, but I'll definitely write it down, maybe make a sketch out of it, but I'll put that guy or girl back, and then I'll keep looking. So, oop, there's another slug. Finding multiple slugs. So challenge yourself to do this for 5 minutes. Challenge your family or your kids or whoever to do this for 5 minutes. If you have a limited attention span, challenge yourself or your family to try and fill each individual egg place in this egg carton with something different. So I found 12 items plus the slug plus the dandelion, and there's so many things to see in here. So this is a great activity to do in this area. But let's extend that and look at other areas around our yards. We could put this over by our compost pile. If you have a more wet area in your yard, put it down there. If you have a sunnier area, maybe try putting it over there. Or if you want to be completely random, take your boundary, make sure you look around, and then for randomness, just throw it. And that will be our next study site. So I hope you can find some time to get outside with your family, practice this outdoor learning activity, and remember to slow down, get down, and look around. All right, until next time, see ya.